Want to master the art of baking? Ready to dive into some essential tips? Well, first things first, always read the recipe thoroughly before you begin. It might seem obvious, but it's easy to miss an important step or ingredient. Next, always measure your ingredients accurately. Baking is a science and precision is key. Use a scale for dry ingredients and a measuring cup for liquids. Remember, temperature matters. It's not just about setting your oven to the right temperature. Even the temperature of your ingredients can affect the final result. For example, many recipes call for room temperature eggs and butter. Don't be afraid to experiment with flavors. While it's important to follow the recipe, you can also add your own twist. Try adding a dash of cinnamon to a chocolate cake, or a squeeze of lemon to a batch of blueberry muffins. And lastly, practice patience. Baking requires time and attention. Don't rush the process and don't get discouraged if you don't get it right the first time. Every mistake is a chance to learn and improve. So, to sum it up, read the recipe, measure accurately, pay attention to temperature, experiment with flavors, and practice patience. With these tips in your apron pocket, you'll be a baking master in no time. And remember, baking is not just about creating delicious treats, it's also about enjoying the process. So roll up your sleeves, dust off your apron, and embrace the joy of baking.